Hi, I'm Erin Joyce, the District Consultant for the Oil Creek Library District, which covers the public libraries in Clarion, Jefferson, and Venango counties. I'm here today to walk you through adding a Notify Me tag on Libby. Notify Me tags help you out by sending you a notification when new issues are available for your favorite magazines. They're pretty simple to create. First, what you want to do is scroll to the magazine that you want to add to your tag. When you're on the title screen, you will want to tap Tag, or if you've already borrowed it, you'll want to tap the tags that are already listed. Tap New Tag, and then type in the name of the tag. You can name it whatever you want, including emojis. You can type an optional description if you want to. Then you want to tap on Some Smarts down here. Tap on the Notify Me circle. Your tag is created, so just go ahead and hit Hide. If you have new titles you want to add, you can add them to the tag you just made. You don't have to create a new tag for each title. Finally, you'll want to make sure you have your notifications the way you want them. So click on the Libby icon here in the middle. On the top, choose Manage Notifications. And then you can choose Ignore, Menu Badge, or Email Notice. For magazines, you want to scroll down to Notify Me Series and select which one of those three you would like. If you ever want to stop being notified for a title, or you accidentally added it, you can remove it from the tag. Go to your shelf and tap the tag. You might have to click on this more. You can either swipe left to delete the title from the tag, or you can click on the title you want to delete, tap the tags, and deselect the black check mark from the tag. You won't get the notifications anymore. Notify Me tags are also supposed to work for authors or book series. I would recommend a separate Notify Me tag for those. Have fun customizing your Libby experience, and happy reading.